Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we have some avocado baked with eggs. This is a very healthy, ideal snack to have for breakfast, for snack, for any time. Now let's see how this is made. As you can see, we get the avocado, we split it in half, then we remove the pit, and then we take out some of the avocado, then we crack an egg right into the center. Then we can season it with some salt, some pepper, and a dash of paprika. Now we take this and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now look how beautiful this is. This is ideal for any day, and we can give it a try now. Now let's see how this is. Ooh. The egg has formed a slight crust. The avocado is nice and smooth. And look, our egg is well done. So simple, so easy to make. So if you're on a run and you don't have time to eat something healthy, consider a meal like this. Perfect. Excellent. So if you like what you see today, remember to subscribe, hit our logo. And if you subscribe already, make sure you hit the bell button to be notified when our next video is uploaded. Thank you again. And remember to comment below on what you think or what you'd like to see for future episodes. Until next time, bye now.